Looming just over the horizon on today's battlefield is an awesome machine. U.S. forces may soon find themselves in its sights. In Russia, its name is Garbach, the Hunchback. The West calls it the Mi-24 Hind. Even after it was first spotted in 1972, the Hind was a mystery to Western intelligence. Its appearance was fearsome, yet no one had any hard evidence about its capabilities. But in the past decades, more than 2,100 of these helicopters have been exported to some 30 countries. Since the Hind is now being sold on the global market, information about it has finally become available, and the information is scary. It is one of the fastest helicopters in the world, capable of reaching speeds in excess of 210 miles an hour. It has a wingspan almost as large as some jets, and it weighs over 28,000 pounds, 1.5 times heavier than the Apache. The Hind was actually believed to have been developed in the late 1960s. About the same time the United States introduced the AH-1 Cobra into the war in Vietnam. But the Soviets took a radically different approach to helicopter design. Instead of creating a chopper strictly for attack, the Soviets developed a multi-role machine. From the beginning, the Hind could do many things. It had the ability both to deliver troops to the battlefield and to protect them with its huge supply of weapons. The Hind carried a larger arsenal than any other attack helicopter. It could even drop bombs. To this day, it remains the only helicopter to do so. Although the Hind and the Apache are both battle choppers, their distinct physical characteristics have led to a fundamental difference, a difference in how they fight.